Hey, good to see you. Welcome to our YouTube channel Tech Zone Info News. Pixel Watch August 2024 update rolling out. Google has begun rolling out the latest update for the Pixel Watch and Pixel Watch 2, which includes the August 2024 security patch. Despite the update being named for August, it was released in the afternoon of July 5, 2024. The rollout is expected to continue over the next week in phases, with users receiving a notification on their watch once the update is available for their device. The update primarily includes the monthly security patch, and users can manually initiate the download by tapping the "Your watch is up to date" screen multiple times. To expedite the process, users are advised to disable Bluetooth and use Wi-Fi. The OTA images for the update are available for download. Additionally, the article mentions upcoming features and pricing for the Pixel Watch 3, including new band colors and a potential price increase for LT models. Update release. The August 2024 update for Pixel Watch and Pixel Watch 2 was released on July 5, 2024. Security patch. The update includes the monthly security patch. Rollout phases. The rollout will occur over the next week, with users receiving notifications when the update is available for their device. Manual download. Users can manually initiate the download by tapping the "Your watch is up to date" screen multiple times. Pixel Watch 3 features. The article teases new features and pricing for the upcoming Pixel Watch 3, including new band colors and a potential price increase for LT models. Conclusion. Google's latest update for the Pixel Watch series includes the August 2024 security patch and is currently being rolled out to users. The update process can be expedited by disabling Bluetooth and using Wi-Fi. Additionally, the article provides insights into the upcoming Pixel Watch 3, hinting at new features and potential pricing changes. Will catch you soon. Bye for now.